Bittensor isn't just a code experiment. It's a global financial movement. Today, the world's most powerful stakeholders are lining up to shape the future of TAO. From institutional giants like Grayscale and Digital Currency Group to elite venture arms like Bittensor and DSV Funds, the smart money has already made its move. But a new, massive factor is emerging that will redefine TAO's growth: Crucible. Led by the very architects who co-founded Bittensor, Crucible is the final piece of the puzzle. It is the institutional bridge that turns raw AI intelligence into a trillion-dollar asset class. The greatest bottleneck in AI isn't compute, it's talent. While centralized labs spend billions to hire a few elites, CrunchDAO has built a decentralized machine learning layer that weaponizes the collective intelligence of over 11,000 engineers. This is the birth of the superminer. The talent gap. Hiring an elite ML team costs upwards of $100 million and takes years. Most decentralized projects fail because they can't attract PhD-level talent. CrunchDAO shatters this barrier by abstracting the blockchain, allowing world-class scientists to focus purely on building superior models. The opportunity: CrunchDAO isn't just a project, it's an intelligence layer. By aggregating models from thousands of experts into one ensemble model, they achieve an edge that single miners can't touch. At a $3 million market cap, the world hasn't realized that the superminers are the ones who will own the emissions. The problem: siloed IQ. Individual intelligence is limited by headcount and budget. Even the best teams miss patterns that lie outside their approach. This siloed thinking leads to errors in high-stakes fields like quant finance and genomics. The world needs a wisdom of the crowd for AI. The meta-layer fix: CrunchDAO acts as the meta-modeling layer. It organizes modeling markets where scientists compete to solve specific problems. The winning predictions are then aggregated and funneled into revenue-generating Bittensor subnets. This is decentralized intelligence at scale. What is a superminer? A superminer is a coordinator that manages the infrastructure while the community builds the models. CrunchDAO is the premier example, currently dominating subnets like SN44 by providing superior predictive accuracy for sports and financial data. How it works. The process is elegant. A business problem is shared. Crunchers submit encrypted models. Models are scored on live data. The best ensemble is deployed via an API. Payouts are automated and meritocratic, fueled by Bittensor emissions. Technical deep dive. Under the hood, CrunchDAO uses ensemble regularization to mitigate overfitting. By aggregating thousands of independent models, they neutralize noise. Their causal discovery algorithms have already outperformed internal teams at major sovereign wealth funds by 17%. The PhD moat. The moat is the talent. With 1,200 plus PhDs from institutions like Stanford and MIT, CrunchDAO possesses more raw scientific power than most Fortune 500 companies. This isn't just code, it's academic rigor on the blockchain. Economics. The dollar crunch cycle. The economics are built for sustainability. Participants earn Crunch and USDC based on performance. As the DAO captures more Bittensor emissions, the value flows back to the best modelers, creating an unstoppable feedback loop of talent. Data sovereignty. Privacy is paramount. Using T-based privacy and encrypted model submissions, scientists protect their IP while enterprises protect their data. You never see the raw code. You only see the breakthrough results. Synergy, the subnet multiplier. CrunchDAO doesn't compete with subnets. It empowers them. Whether it's genomics on one subnet or quant trading on another, CrunchDAO provides the human-in-the-loop intelligence that makes the AI truly useful. Who benefits? Enterprises get elite AI without the hiring headache. Data scientists get economic ownership of their work, and dollar TAO holders benefit from the massive utility CrunchDAO brings to the network. Roadmap: integrated production. Phase 4 is the integrated era. Crunch Engine will be a production-ready orchestration layer running in the cloud. We are moving from competitions to a pay-per-use model for the world's biggest corporations. Competition: Crunch versus Wall Street. Wall Street is a closed club with siloed IQ. CrunchDAO is an open, meritocratic network. While a hedge fund team might have 20 quants, CrunchDAO has 11,000. In the long run, the crowd always wins. You can participate as a cruncher at CrunchDAO.com or back the network through the Bittensor subnets they mine. The entry point is simple. Start where the talent is already winning. The staking strategy: by delegating your TAO to validators supporting the subnets where CrunchDAO is active, you are effectively backing a 1,200 PhD team. It's the ultimate diversified infrastructure play for the agentic age. The bull case: the talent singularity, the math. AI is a multi-trillion-dollar market. CrunchDAO is the talent gateway. As it captures 5 to 10% of the decentralized AI market, the valuation will explode. We aren't just looking at a gem, we are looking at a category king. How exactly does Crucible add value to TAO's growth? It solves the complexity gap. Crucible provides the institutional rails, the wallets, the staking infrastructure, and the smart allocator that allow billion-dollar funds to enter the Bittensor ecosystem without friction. By simplifying how capital flows into top-performing subnets, Crucible acts as a liquidity vacuum, pulling in fresh institutional demand and locking it into the network. This isn't just a project. It's the gateway for the next wave of capital that will push TAO to its greatest heights. Risks/expert skeptic. Coordination at this scale is difficult, and model privacy is a constant technical challenge. However, with the strategic backing of Galaxy Ventures and Road Capital, the resources are there to win. The age of the lone wolf is over. The age of the collective has begun. Join CrunchDAO, support the subnets, and be part of the most elite intelligence network on Earth. Buy, stake, chill. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity Bittensor, TAO, directly to your screen. The New Age slogan is "Don't wait to buy TAO and wait." Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.